Hello students, welcome to my channel Mind Your Exam. In this video we'll learn how to use the as clause along with the select statement when you are selecting certain attributes from your table in a relational database. So let's see the syntax or the command that you have to use while using the as keyword. So the as keyword helps you to rename the attribute while showing the result. So suppose attribute is present in a particular table in your database, but in the result you want to give a new name to this attribute while displaying the output. So how will you write it? You will write select keyword followed by the attribute or the list of attribute that you want to display, and with each attribute that you want to rename you will write the keyword as following the original name of the attribute, and after this keyword you will write the new name of the attribute that will be shown only in the output. This statement, this keyword will not change the name of the attribute in the table. Only while displaying the result, temporarily this particular new name will be shown instead of the actual attribute name. And after writing the select clause, you'll write the from command where you specify the name of the table from which you are specifying or displaying this particular attribute. For example, we are using the employee table where we have different attributes present in the employee table, where emp number is one attribute, the second is e-name, which is the employee name, salary, bonus and department ID. Suppose while displaying the employee number, instead of writing emp underscore no, I want to write the entire thing employee number. Then how will I do it? I will write the select keyword followed by the attribute that I want to display in the output, which is the emp underscore number attribute. Then I will write the keyword as, and then I will write the name of that attribute which I want in the display output. Then following this I will write the from keyword and the name of the table. So this will be the output. Since we have selected only one attribute, only one column will be displayed here, and the name of that column will be the same that is written after the as clause. Okay. Now you can also do one thing, that you can make some modifications in the attribute while displaying the result. So for example, the salary that was shown for each employee in the employee table was the monthly salary, and now you want to know the yearly salary of the employee. So how you can write? You write select e-name as name. That means you are changing the name of the attribute e-name, and in the output you want to display it as name, and after this employee name you are displaying another column which is the salary column multiplied by the value 12. So each value in the salary column will be multiplied by 12, and you are doing this from the employee table. So what will be the output? You will see this as the output. This is the e-name attribute whose name we have changed and we have given it a new name which is name. Then this is the second attribute that will be shown in the result. These are the values obtained by multiplying the original values that were present in the salary column of the employee table by 12. Now if you want that instead of this name you write a better name, instead of writing *12 you write annual income, then how will you do that? You will use the as clause for both the attributes. So e-name you want to use as name, this is the alias name that you are creating, and instead of writing salary multiplied by 12 you will show in the output annual income. Okay, so now the output will look like this, and here all the values will be the same. The only difference will be in the name of the column or the attribute that is shown. It is name and here it is annual income. That's all for today's video. I hope you have understood this topic. If you like the video, please share it with your friends. Hit the like button. Let us know in the comment section what did you like about the video, and subscribe to our channel for more such tutorials. Thank you for watching. Till we meet in the next video. Mind your exam.